PEX-A is easy to install for a new water distribution system or as part of an existing system. Use a tubing cutter to cut a 90-degree angle. Make sure the end of the pipe is burr-free. PEX-A tubing can be run through holes drilled into the center of studs or by using straps and hangers. Bend supports can be used to make bends and angles instead of having to cut the tubing and use fittings. Apollo offers a wide range of fittings that can be used with PEX-A. Brass and polyalloy PEX-A fittings are attached to PEX-A pipe with an expansion sleeve. Slide the sleeve over the end of the tubing. Use an electric or manual expansion tool to expand the pipe and sleeve. Quickly insert the fitting into the pipe and sleeve. Wait at most 2 minutes for the pipe and sleeve to contract around the fitting and provide a proper fasten seal. PEX-B brass and polyalloy fittings can be used with PEX-A pipe. Use crimp rings, pinch clamps, or stainless steel sleeves to fasten the fittings to the pipe instead of expansion sleeves. Thanks for watching. Please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions.